You can expect the stores to be filled today as residents across western Massachusetts and New England are getting ready for this weekend's expected storm. 22 News reporter Hector Molina is live in Springfield with what you can do today to prepare for this storm. Hector?
First significant snowfall since November is just a day away, and if you haven't done so already, today is the time to stock up on food, snow removal gear, and other supplies you need for this storm. The snow is expected to arrive Saturday night and intensify quickly with heavier accumulations expected to the west and north. The lines were pretty long at the Big Y in West Springfield on Friday, with the storm happening just before tomorrow's New England Patriots game that kicks off at 6:40. West Springfield Big Y store director Ed Williams expects business to really pick up tonight and tomorrow as people get those last-minute supplies, and Eversource Energy said they have teams of line workers and tree crews ready to respond in the event of a power outage.